Hi guys, good morning, good evening, and good afternoon. Today we're here from the woods in Michigan, in the UP, up north, on this huge piece of land. About what, Jim?
240.
240, pretty close, you know, huge land. And what we're doing today is we are building this deer hunting stand right behind me over here. We got the pieces of wood this morning, so we had all the stuff ready and good to go. Pieces of wood that we're gonna put together. That's obviously gonna be the bottom, and you got the rough stuff and all the pieces of wood. If you want to know how to put that deer stand up, what is the process, do it, watch this video till the end to know exactly how to do that. Okay, all from scratch, building it here in Michigan in the UP, because in 2 months, guess what, this hunting season is gonna start. Hunting season is gonna start and we're gonna shoot deer right here. That's why we're making this stand. We're gonna be sitting in this stand, turning the heat on, adding our guns in, waiting to see that buck. Okay, and we're just gonna shoot it. All right, stay tuned, let's get into it.
Nice big snake over there for you.
All right, so we're gonna hook it up from its sides, and then they're obviously using the two four-wheelers to pull it up. We'll see how that's gonna turn out. I'm gonna stand out of the way so it doesn't hit me if it comes down on us, you know what I mean? Here we got the stand up for now, and we're cutting some of the branches because they are in the way of the process. We can't really pull them up because you can see that they are obstructing our way. So we're gonna clean some up, we're gonna get it up, and then we're gonna put the two other legs on and we'll continue on. Woo! And guess what happened now? Look at that in front of me. Look at it. We got it up, we put the legs in. It wasn't fun by any means. We had to pull it slowly, we had to climb step ladder, hold it down, try and line this one in, and then we put that last one in, which was a really it was a pain. That one right here. This one was kind of and obviously the two first that we put it on at the beginning. So now we have all the four legs. We're gonna bolt them down, torque them up, make sure everything's safe and secure, and then obviously we're gonna start building the rest of it up there. We're gonna trim some of these trees out of the way, clean it up, make sure everything is set to go. These are the pieces right here that's gonna go up. That's the rest of the pieces, and more over here. All is gonna go up there. And let's take a break. Red Bull, red watermelon. I love that thing. Okay, if you guys haven't tried it, you should try it. Definitely one of the best Red Bulls out there. So far we have put that up. We brought the ladder so we can actually hook it up to the top, but turned out the ladder was a little bit shorter, so we're gonna cut about 1 feet from the bottom of this wood. We should have probably measured that at the beginning, but we never thought it through. We thought it's the exact same height. It was not, so we're gonna cut some of these legs off. We got this four-wheeler over here. We're gonna pull on this side when we cut off so we can have some tension, and then we're gonna do the same thing on the opposite because we have the other four-wheeler on the other side hooked up to the eye up there, and then obviously extend it down. Same thing with that one, hook it up and down. He's putting the eye up on this side because we don't have an eye, but we do have an eye on the other side. We actually have two on the opposite side. Let's have a sip and get back to work.
Got him back here.
Woohoo! All right, 4 legs off. Fantastic, good job guys. All right, let's get into the next step. So we went back to the cabin, we did some food, we ate, we fueled up, now we're back to work. We're gonna finish putting this hunting stand, putting it together. We just got this wood, it was all attached together, so we had to open them up, take the nails out, and now they're gonna put it on the bottom and the side, make it more sturdier, and then we're gonna attach the actual ladder, which is sitting over there on the ground. That's the one that's gonna get attached up here, over here on the other side, so we can put it up there to finish putting this together. Look at that! Look at that piece of art. That's exactly how it meant to be. That's exactly how it ended up. Actually not. We have changed a lot of things. We have had so many ideas. We have ripped so many different pieces of wood that we're thinking it's gonna go on a different angle. We just put the ladder up and we put all these extra pieces of wood on the sides for support. What do you think, Jim?
I'm thinking we're about halfway there.
There we go. How does it feel up there?
Feels pretty good.
Good wind?
Yep. Good wind.
Any deer?
No.
No.
Just a couple bear.
How are we doing, guys?
Fantastic. Horrible.
How's it getting up there? I see the sides are on now. Nice. They made a box. I made a fire. Getting along pretty well. Put the sides on. Now it's up higher. Got the windows over there. Window from this side. Window from that side. That side's gonna be the side that all the guns are gonna point out to the area where the deer will come over. Right in here. Pointing out from here. We're gonna trim some of these trees out of the way. Clean it up. Have this ladder over here. Nail it from the outside. Got window from here, window from here, window from the other side, and the door obviously from where the stairs. Look at this box. Last steps, it's almost done. The roof is getting together. Putting nails from the inside, the outside. Try to nail it as much as possible. We cut the top off so it's not in a V angle anymore. It's just a flat roof, and we put a piece of wood in the middle to keep it from sinking in. So if it rains or snow, it won't sink in. It'll actually be on a kind of an angle. So far looks good. We're gonna clean up this mess, get this stuff out of here, put it back in the trailer, take it back to the cabin. That guy's carrying his ladder. What do you think about the ladder?
I think I want pizza.
That guy wants pizza. I want a burger.
Yeah.
Yep. Let's take you guys up there. Let's show you what's going on. Show you what we have been doing all day. Here we are from up here in this hunting stand. Woohoo! Hello.
Welcome to the Love Shack.
How's it going?
It's going.
Woo. Look at this. You can see the whole wall from up here. Hello. That's another window. That's the window that we're gonna be looking out from here at the deer. We're gonna trim these trees up. We'll get that other stand out of the way. The old one. That's another window. 1, 2, 3, and the door. Boom. These are steps going down. Let me know what you think about this hunting stand in the comment below. Hope you guys like it. Look at this beauty. Look at it. Amazing. We cut the trees surrounding. We cut some of the trees that surrounding by the hunting stand, and we set them all around, so they're all hiding. It seems like it's part of a tree, you know, totally covered. Doesn't even seem like a stand, you know. Look at this. It's fantastic. Know what I mean? Look at that. Oh yeah, Jim. Cover it up. Sweet. We just gotta trim some of these then to open our view. Look at this. Fantastic. Look at this dude. Cutting the trees, cleaning them up, and then we're pulling them over there by the four-wheeler to make a stand for the feeders. So we're gonna feed the deer corn. So we're gonna have stands that's gonna have a feeder. The feeder is gonna be full of corn, and it's gonna feed the deer. So they come over here in that area. There's already some corn that's been laid out over here, right here, so they come and they eat, you know. So when they eat it, we actually know what's going on, and we have a camera set up over here, and that camera takes pictures for the deer when they come around. Set up over here, they don't know what's going on. Right now it's actually taking pictures, because if there's any motion, any you know, anything moving in front of it, it takes pictures right away. So right now it's actually taking pictures to me, filming it, you know, and we'll see the pictures later. That guy on the other hand, he keep pulling the wood. We cut about 5 to 6 trees. We're cleaning them up and we're bringing them here. We're gonna make a stand. We're gonna put the feeder on top of it, and it's an automatic feeder that keep putting about a gallon or 2 gallons of corn every day. So the deer get used to this area. They know there's a corn here. They keep coming around, and we're gonna be sitting up there with our guns, waiting for the deer to show up, and then we'll shoot it right here in about 2 months from now. You know, in November, the hunting season. Look at this, just look at it. All hidden, we put all the trees around it. It's fantastic. Know what I mean? Sit up there, we'll put our heater up. We're still gonna have to put the door up. Gonna get a door over there, so we close it, put a heater inside. Freezing outside, cold, snow, no problem. We're sitting inside, we're warm. Life is good. It's not raining now. Keep raining, on and off, on and off. All right, let's go get the rest of the trees, and see you guys later. Raining. Good time, good time. That was a great day. We got a lot of stuff done. Awesome. It didn't rain till right now, so that's a good thing. Otherwise it would have been raining on us all day long. Sweet. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel to see more videos like that. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time, next video.